Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, November the 9th. Well, an extremely bullish day today, and we had a very strong bullish close up above the 1080 level. And we identified that as a previous resistance level from this region here, which was a previous major swing high, where there was very strong downside price rejection, which led to a second time frame downtrend previously. So a very strong bullish close on up above that area is setting the market up for a strong assault on the round number 1100. The resistance for that zone extends all the way up to around 1106. So if we have a strong bullish close up above that level, then the price action should increase fairly substantially following that. The market is still in a first time frame uptrend. We still have a candle with a higher high and a higher low, and we highlighted on Friday that there was potential for a reversal because we had a very large reduction in the size of the body of the previous candle. And as mentioned during that video analysis, we required confirmation of any potential change of trend with a lower high and a lower low, and that didn't happen. So if you remember, we had to keep an eye on the high of the current candle, which meant that the uptrend was going to continue. And that's the thing with trends. We have to assume that the trend is going to remain in existence until we have proof otherwise. And the proof for a change of trend didn't happen. We had a continuation of a higher high and a higher low. We had a gap here between the two bodies of the previous candles here, which is fairly significant. We have the market opening at the low and closing at the high, which means that the buyers were in control when the market closed, and they're showing very, very strong commitment to taking this market higher. Now, the market is trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and it means the market has a positive bias overall and in a longer time frame. And the market is up above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, but we had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen below the Kijun-sen, which is a bearish signal, but that happened up above the cloud. So when that signal happens up above the cloud, it's not a very high probability short signal. The highest probability short signal to take would be one where that happens down below the cloud. It's likely that we will have a crossover of that fairly soon if this trend does continue the upside momentum, but we haven't had that crossover yet. Just looking at the two indicators too, they're both pointing up quite sharply now, and that reflects the strong upside momentum in this market in the shortest time frame and the medium-term time frame. So the market is trending very strongly, trading up above the cloud, potential resistance around the 1100 extending up to 1106, so that becomes very important for this market.